Good morning, students. I am a computer teacher JP Gupta sir from Green Valley English School. Children, today I am going to start your new chapter Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. In this video, we shall discuss about the basic definition of PowerPoint and the basic elements of this window. So, student, let us start our first topic Microsoft PowerPoint. So student, Microsoft PowerPoint is a part of Microsoft Office suite which is used to create simple and appealing presentation. Microsoft PowerPoint is a graphics presentation software that help you to create a high quality of presentations. So students, PowerPoint is a powerful communication tools used to present our views and ideas effectively through visual aids. It is widely used in business world and also it is used in school to teach the different topic students. This help in providing a better understanding of the subject. So students, before starting the PowerPoint program, we should try to understand the some basic terminology of this software also. First of all, presentation. So presentation is the collection of the slides arranged in sequential manner to entertain, motivate, convey, pursue or give the information students. Second is slide. Slide is a individual page which help you to design and convey the information to the audience students. Next is slideshow. Slideshow is an electronic presentation displayed on the computer screen one by one student. So to start the PowerPoint, we have to follow the simple step. First of all, we have to click on start button, then all program, then we choose the Microsoft Office and then we click on Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Whenever you click Microsoft PowerPoint, window is opened as it is shown in your figure 7.2 student. After that, next heading is creating a new presentation. So Microsoft PowerPoint allow the user to create the presentation in two ways student. First way is that blank presentations and second is using the templates. So student, blank presentations options help you to create the presentation in your own way. You can add the contents and design as per your requirement students. So to create the new presentation, we have to click on Microsoft Office button and then we choose the new option. Whenever you click on the new option, new presentation dialog box will appear as it is shown here. From here we select the blank presentation and click on create button. Whenever you click on the create button student, by default one slides appear on your computer screen. Now here you can type the text or content which you want to be displayed for the presentation students. Second way is by using the template is a ready-made files which help you to create your own presentation quickly and easily students. A template include a sample slideshow that contain various themes and layout, including most of those that existed in auto content wizard. So student, we can modify text and design of the templates, add the picture, sound, companies logos and etc from the templates. So to add the template, students, we have to go to the my office button and click on the new option. Now after that, select the templates. Here you will get the different type of the templates, so choose any one of them according to your need, students. Whenever you click on the templates, automatically a series of the slides will be appeared in your presentation. Now here you can add the text in the placeholder of each slides and view the slides. So thank you for watching my video.